We'll guide you through how to clear cookies and cache on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. For whatever reason you're wanting to go and delete and clear cookies and cache, it's a good idea to go and do this because you can then go and make sure you're seeing the latest version of a website, and it can go and resolve problems if a website isn't loading properly as well. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. You have got a couple of different ways this can be done as well, so make sure you watch this full video. To get started, open up the settings app on your iPhone like so. Now what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down, and you're going to go and find the option for apps, and you can go and tap there. Then what you can do is you want to go and scroll down, and we need to go and find Safari. That is what we're focusing on in this guide because that is the default web browser for an iPhone. So you can then go and tap Safari. You can search for it at the bottom if needed. So now make sure you listen carefully here. So you can go and scroll down, and you can go and find the option for clear history and website data. Now with this option, you're also going to be clearing your history, which you may want to do. We'll guide you for this option in a moment, but first of all, we want to go and show you how you can just go and clear website data, which is more specific to the cookies and cache and other data as well, but you'll go and keep your history. So what you can do is you can go and scroll down to the bottom and find the option for advanced. Then at the top, you'll go and find the option for website data. It will then go and load. So if there's a specific site you want to do this with, you can go and press edit in the top right, and you can go and press the delete button to the left, and you can then press delete over to the right. You can go and repeat that, and you can press show all sites to the bottom as well if you want. At the bottom, you've got the option for remove all website data. So you can go and see this will go and clear the data that will be go and used for tracking. It's also used by websites to preserve login information and to speed up browsing. So you could press remove now, and it'll then go and clear it all, as you can see. So you can go and see if that goes and does what you want it to. As I said though, you could also come back here to history and website data, and you could go and click on this option here, clear history and website data. You can go and choose a time frame, we'd do all history, and you can also go and close all the tabs as well. And then what you can do is go and press clear history, but that'll also go and clear things like your search history as well, which you may not want, which is why I like just in the website data. But if that doesn't go and achieve what you want it to, you can go and clear the history this way. So you can go and press clear, and that'll go and clear the cookies and cache that way as well. So there are a couple of different ways it can be done. If we then come to Safari, you'll go and see we've got a fresh start here, and hopefully now we'll go and solve it. But you'll go and see everything's going to go and be refreshed, and we'll reload because it's got to go and reload the cookies and cache, and it hasn't got anything saved. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more guides like this. We publish them every single day, so I'm sure we're going to be able to help you out again. Have a great day, and I'll see you again soon in the next how-to.